guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we are going to be talking about nail polish. You guys know that I love to have a nice mani going on. To be honest guys, I tend to go get my nails done every 2 weeks, and what I do is I have an acrylic overlay. So I went a couple days ago to get a refill and she filled it with a nude acrylic. That way they would be ready for what I'm about to show you. Guys, I picked up the Holo Taco metallic foil nail polish set. This is their release for holiday 2020, and this is my first time trying the brand. You get these 5 glittery goodness nail polishes for $65, and you can find them on holotaco.com. I also wanted to pick up some of their base coats and top coats, which I have in here. These retail for $11 a piece. I got the 2 different base coats that Holo Taco makes. This first one is the long lasting nail base, and the second one is the peely base, which means guys that you can peel off this nail polish instead of having to use nail polish remover. So I think that is ingenious. I cannot wait to try this one out. I've never tried a regular nail polish that has that effect, so I'm looking forward to doing that. I also picked up the this is the Glossy Taco top coat. Now they have another top coat that's supposed to be like a double glossy effect. I just went with this one because I think the shades in here are pretty sparkly on their own. I also picked up another nail polish, and this is from their last release, the one that was before this one. This is the shade Chameleon Coat, and this is like a duo multi-chrome nail polish. So guys, I am super excited to be trying Holo Taco out here on my channel. This is gonna be a complete first impressions of the brand. If you've tried Holo Taco before, please leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the brand. Guys, I love anything that sparkles. As you can see from my eyes, this is from the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette, which I think just went up. So you'll see that video before you see this one. So definitely check that out. But let's get started, guys. I'm gonna kind of bring you down here. So this is probably the last you're gonna see of me, and let's focus on trying out these gorgeous nail polishes and giving myself a mini manicure. All right, guys, so let's dive into the metallic foil nail polish set from Holo Taco. I'm going to try all of the shades on my nails so that way you can see what they're going to look like, how they perform, and then I'm probably just going to be using maybe 2 shades to complete my manicure look. So this first shade right here is like a really nice coppery color. This one is called Cheap Champagne. Super cute. They all have cute little names on them. This next shade has more of a purple tint to it, and this is the shade Fake Date. Next we have this gorgeous silver color, and this is the shade Gift Receipt. Next up we have this gorgeous green shade. I love a good green nail polish. This one is called Mint Money. And last but not least, we have this gorgeous blue. This one is called Cold Shoulder. This other nail polish I got is part of their duochrome line, and this one is in the shade Chameleon Coat. You can kind of see it has like a purple, green, gold reflect to it. I think I might use this one as my primary color and then do some accents with these metallic foil nail polishes. We'll see how it goes, but I kind of am curious about this one since it is a duochrome. Let's go ahead and start with Cheap Champagne. Next, we're going to go in with Fake Date. Next, we're going to go in with Cold Shoulder. Next, we're going to go in with Gift Receipt. Next, we're gonna go in with Mint Money. So there are all 5 shades of the Holo Taco metallic foil nail polish set. Really pretty. Guys, this is with 1 coat. So you really do get pretty much full opacity with 1 coat, but I would add a 2nd coat just to be safe. But look at how fun and pretty those colors are. Let me try on this hand the duochrome, which is Chameleon coat. So that is with 1 coat of Chameleon coat. Let me let it dry for a minute. I'm gonna add a 2nd coat on top of it. All right, so that is with the 2nd coat. Definitely 2 coats on this duochrome is what you're gonna wanna do. So these are the 6 different Holo Taco nail polishes that I picked up. All right, guys, so I'm gonna remove what I have here, and then I'm gonna go in with the peely base coat and start to paint my nails. Alright, so what I did was I added a 3rd coat to the green, the duochrome, and I just added the glossy top coat to the 2 metallic ones. So let me go ahead and add the top coat to these other nails. Now I'm gonna move on to this other hand, and I'm not gonna show it just for time purposes, but I am gonna go in with the long-lasting base coat instead of the peely base coat. And guys, I do wanna try peeling off one of these nails so we can see how that base coat works, but let me start with this other hand, and this is the one I'm gonna go in with first. All right, guys, so these are my completed nails. What do you guys think? I definitely have some thoughts on these nail polishes. Let me go ahead and start with, this is the top coat. Let me start with these 2 base coats that I picked up. I don't really know how I feel about peely base. I'm gonna try and peel off one, actually on this hand, I'm gonna try and peel off one of the polishes to see if it actually all peels off at one time. But I found that this really made the rest of the polish sticky. You really have to wait for this to dry. I would say a good 3 to 4 minutes. As long as your nails already are taking on a more, like, I don't want to say the word matte, but they don't have that shine to it. That means that it should be dry and you would be able to go in with whatever polish you are going to place on top of it. Now, I also used the long-lasting base coat on my right hand. This one worked a lot better. It's just like a traditional base coat. It does have like a bluish tint to it. Also wait a little bit so that it can dry down before applying the rest of the polishes. But so far, this is working better than the peely base upon initial application. Next was the duochrome. This is the shade Chameleon Coat. I thought that this polish really had to be built up. I did use 3 coats to get full opacity and just to really get that color that I wanted. This one I would say probably gave me the most problems out of the 6 nail polishes that I have. I thought that it was a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it didn't just glide over the nail, and maybe it was the base coat too, but it kind of like was a little bit hard to maneuver on the nail. And I don't know if maybe it's just the formula of these polishes, because they're supposed to be long lasting. It's like it kind of just adheres to the nail and it kind of coats it and goes like all around it. That's probably the best way I can describe it, but I guess it does take a little bit of getting used to. I'm just looking forward to seeing how long these last. And then I did go in with the shade Fake Date, and this is from the metallic foil nail polish set. I thought these were really nice glitters, and you only need, I could have probably gotten away with 1 coat, because these have like, it's like that the same formula as this one. Like, they just kind of adhere to the nail. Really strange, but not in a bad way. But I thought that this polish was beautiful. I only used 2 coats, but when I went in with the second coat, I just kind of stippled it in the areas that I felt needed to be touched up, and really focus like on the edge of the nail. So I thought this was a fantastic glitter, super easy to work with. And guys, I recommend just going in with a light layer and then building up after that. One thing I would recommend when working with these Holo Taco nail polishes is to kind of let the polish dry in between coats. I think it needs a chance to really kind of just set itself before you go in with that second or third layer. Now, I thought that the glossy taco top coat gave me no problems whatsoever. As with most top coats, you don't need a lot of it, so just really make sure you wipe off the brush before going in and applying to your nails. But I thought this performed really well. I also want to mention, guys, that whenever I do regular nail polish, whether it be on my toes, which I typically do regular nail polish on my toes, and I stick to like a gel on my hands, although not today, I really enjoy using these OPI Quick Dry Drops. You can find them at Ulta Beauty. I will have them linked in the description box down below. Guys, 1 drop on your nail, make sure it coats the whole nail right after you go in with your top coat, means that your nails are going to be completely dry in 5 minutes. I have been using these for years. I love them. I swear by them. If you don't go get shellac on your nails and you rely on regular nail polish and you want to cut down on the dry time, invest in these OPI Quick Dry Drops. I don't think you'll be disappointed with them. All right, guys, so I'm loving the way my nails come out. I love the way they look. I love these colors. Like, I was just so drawn to these gorgeous, sparkly, glittery goodness colors. But one more thing before we go, I want to try peeling off. And look, guys, I'm touching them. They're completely dry already, okay? I want to try peeling off one of my nails. So I think I kind of messed up. Was it on this one or the pinky? Goodness, which one? Okay, I guess I'll just do the pinky. Let me try peeling it off and let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, so I'm just peeling right here on the side. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. It is just peeling right off. And it doesn't hurt. Look at that. Wow. Now, see, it is really sticky. I don't know. I guess there's a learning curve, but it did work. It did peel off. So that's very interesting. I am going to be interested to see how this left hand holds up over the next couple weeks. Like I said, I need to get a good 2 weeks out of my nail polish, out of my manicure. So I don't know. I'm a little bit worried, because what if one of these just starts lifting on the side? Like, is it just going to all peel off? I don't know. I'm gonna paint this one again, but pretty interesting. I will definitely give you guys an update on how my manicure is wearing. I'll probably do that update over on Instagram, and then maybe in my November favorites video, this might be in my November favorites video, who knows, but I will definitely update you here on YouTube, probably during that video, or maybe in the community section. But guys, let me know your thoughts on Holo Taco. Have you heard of this brand? Are you going to want to pick up any of the colors? I know this year we've probably done a lot more DIY things, and definitely a manicure and pedicure was probably on that list. I'm just so happy that I get to try out another indie brand here on my channel, guys. It's always good to support small business whenever possible. I will have these linked in the description box down below in case you are interested in checking out any of these Holo Taco polishes and top coats and base coats that I have here, guys, and especially these OPI Quick Drops. I think these are a must if you're going to be doing your own nails at home. So guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.